Hello delightful people, you're welcome back to my channel. In this channel we'll make different mouth-watering Nigerian recipes and more. So today we are making perfect stretchy cassava fufu. So if you want to learn how to make various delicious Nigerian recipes, subscribe and become part of our family. So we'll start by cutting the cassava tuber into smaller sizes that will be easy to peel off. Next is to peel off the skin, cut a vertical line and peel through the cut. This step is important if you want to achieve stretchy cassava fufu that doesn't smell bad. So while we are peeling, we'll submerge it in water to prevent it from turning green. So after peeling the bark, we'll rinse the cassava for like 2 times to wash out the starch. Then we'll cut out the fiber at the middle and then cut the cassava into smaller pieces. This will help us to soak it and get it ready for another step. So these are the fibers that we'll cut out. We are going to dispose them and then add enough water to cover the cassava. Then cover and place it in a cool, dry place. We need to soak it for 24 hours to achieve that classic and odorless fufu. This is after 24 hours. We are going to remove them from the water and rinse it for about 2 times. So next is to blend the cassava. We need a smooth and lump-free texture. It's very important. Add the soaked cassava to a blender with a bit of water and blend until creamy. If you are making a large quantity, please strain some to remove excess water after blending and store in a fridge using Ziploc or airtight container. In a pan, I add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Is optional but is help to achieve a smooth and silky texture of fufu. Then I slowly pour in the blended cassava paste and stir continuously on a low heat. Once you see it has started thickening, it will look like it has lumps, but keep stirring to achieve smooth, firm and soft but not sticky fufu. See, this is the moment that defines the quality of your fufu, and this will take about 10 to 15 minutes. When the fufu is firm, add a little drop of water by the side and cover to steam cook for 3 to 5 minutes on a low heat. After 5 minutes, stir and take it off the stove and shape it into smooth ball and serve it warm. Pair it with your favorite soup, and this is how to make a perfect and smooth fufu. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.